You know I can literally open doors, right? Is this for my amusement or yours? Fine, let's do this. Aha. So challenging. Oh woe is me, for I am just a lowly dog. How shall I ever solve such a masterpiece of puzzlery? With brute force. It's all in the snoot. This one requires precision. Talk to me, goose. That was a Top Gun reference for all the old ladies who watch my videos. Last one. I'm no meteorologist, but I'm pretty sure it's raining excellence in here. Do I look like a rabbit? There better be some bacon in the puzzle next time.